Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers, many greeting and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Any color paper should be cut into 9 cm size. Now the paper should be faired like this. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. Now make a stick. Leaves should be prepared. This time I attach the flower with glue. I will attach the leaf. So see how beautiful a flower is made. Many thanks Sonia Craft Gallery for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new videos and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.